Welcome to a Python tutorial. Today we're just going to be talking about if and else statements, and I'm just going to show you the program that I've got at the moment, what it does. It just takes one number, a second number, and then tells you what the difference between the numbers are. So in this case the first number is less than the second number. If we run the program again, that's equal to the first if statement here, just so you know. In the second part, which is elseif, that's not written as elseif, it's actually written as elif for Python. So we'll just run that one. So 1 and 0, and the first number is greater than the second number, so that's this statement here. So for the third statement we're wanting an else statement, and this one is going to be equal. So first number is 1, second number is 1, so the first number is equal to the second number. So what's happened is the if statement has looked at the first number, has decided with the operator it's less than the second number, and remember you have to put colons at the end, and then it prints out the statement first number is less than the second number. Then we've got an else if here. You don't even have to have an else if here. This can be an if statement as well and it'll still work. First number is greater than the second number, so you can see that still worked, sort of without the else if statement, but it's better and it's more it's better coding practice to use an else if statement there. So that's really all that there is to if statements on Python. I hope you find this useful. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more great updates on when new videos come out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.